What's going on, people? Listen, I am fairly new to the country. I've been out here, 3 years now? So people tell me, hey, use a burn barrel so you can burn all your stuff that you cut down. Because I got a lot of property out here. It's, and I got to do a lot of cutting, a lot of burning, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Well, keep in mind, when the wind picks up and you turn around, things happen. Look at this here. Yep, it spread. I almost lost a whole bunch of this stuff. Luckily, it didn't get to that portion over there that's all full of trees. But yeah, word to the wise, when stuff is kind of dry and you cut grass and you have grass on the ground, don't start a burn, even if it's in a barrel. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I don't know, call me ignorant, because ignorance is bliss, and if no one tells you, you don't know. Look at this here. Thank God it didn't get over there and burn all that down there. As you could tell, there's my dream coop. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. There she is. But like I said, don't do this and walk away. Peace. Flow feel 100%. See ya.